The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo 3D printer stands out with its capability to print up to 8 colors, allowing for more creative and vibrant models. Equipped with a dual PTC heating module and 360-degree hot air circulation, this printer ensures optimal filament drying during printing, enhancing the quality and precision of the models. With a printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is designed for efficiency, reducing resonance patterns and improving accuracy in all printed models. The printer features a robust full-metal hotend that reaches a temperature of 320 degrees Celsius, enabling it to work seamlessly with various materials like ABS and ASA. A built-in camera allows users to monitor the printing process in real time, while its quiet mode operates at a low noise level of 44 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment. The Anycubic Intelligent Ecosystem, including the Anycubic Slicer Next and a supportive app, offers remote control capabilities and access to numerous free model resources, enhancing the user experience.